I'm not in bed, did I trick you? So I'm not talking about quickies in bed, I'm trying out a new little series that I'm going to call Quickies. I often want to make a little video of a salad or a sandwich or like a jacket potato or something simple like that, but I kind of feel like they don't deserve a 5-minute YouTube video. So I thought I'd try making this little quickie series, videos which are 30 seconds to 2 minutes long, more for Instagram and Facebook really. It's just a place where I can put quick little ideas which are not terribly exciting, but you know, they might be useful to you. You might think,
oh, that's a nice sandwich, I think I'll make that.
Here's one I made earlier. It's a salad.
Oh, fancy a quickie?
Hey, remember that pack of funny rice you bought about a year ago that's just been sitting at the back of your cupboard? Well, measure out precisely half a cup and then get it on the boil. Blah, 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 blah. Once it's finished cooking, quickly drain it and wait for it to cool. Dum-de-dum-de-dum.
Are you cool? I am cool.
Running around, I mean cool. Grab that and stick it in a bowl. Add a can of rinsed and drained chickpeas and then some dried fruit or raisins or something like that. Good. Have a try at grating an onion until you find out it's really slippery and terrifying. Then give up and finally chop it. Put that in there. Grate a carrot. Much easier. Put all of that into your bowl and chop some celery. In it goes, well done. Okay, a quick little salad dressing, 2 tablespoons of oil in there, a little bit of vinegar, and then some garam masala or curry powder. I think they're pretty similar, but hey, what do I know? I'm an ignorant Englishman with no taste whatsoever. Mixy, mixy, mix, and then that goes into our bowl. Bring it all together, all looking good. Serve it up and you got a nice, lightly spiced wild rice and chickpea salad. The best bits are those dried fruits. They're like little bombs of sweetness exploding in your mouth. Oh, and if you want to save some time, you could use microwave rice instead, you big lazy fuck. Just a salad, but you know, I liked it. Maybe you will too. As I say, it's more for Instagram and Facebook, but if you're happy for me to put these types of videos up here on YouTube, please let me know. Let me know if you fancy a quickie.